So the question is, following information is available for ABC Limited. Combined leverage 4, operating leverage 2.15, dividend per share is 4 rupees, annual interest payment 80,000 rupees, total fixed cost 1,20,000 rupees, and total sales is 15 lakh rupees. Using the given information, we have to calculate financial leverage and PV ratio. So financial leverage calculation बहुत ही simple होने वाला है, but calculating PV ratio is going to be a little tricky. So let's begin with the solution. So first of all, we'll be calculating financial leverage. We all know combined leverage can be calculated by multiplying operating leverage and financial leverage. So having this formula, we can say financial leverage is equal to combined leverage dividing it with operating leverage. Combined leverage is given in the question as 4 and operating leverage is given as 2.15. So dividing 4 by 2.15, we have financial leverage as 1.86. In the second part of the question, we are required to calculate PV ratio. The formula for PV ratio is contribution by sales into 100. अब question में हमें sales का amount तो given है but contribution given नहीं है. So we need to calculate contribution first of all to calculate PV ratio. But again contribution हमें निकालना है, उसके लिए हमें ज़रूरत होगी EBIT की. So let's begin with calculation of EBIT first. So अब हमें कैलकुलेट करना है EBIT. उसके लिए हम financial leverage का फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. Financial leverage is equal to EBIT by EBT. So tell me one thing, will it be fair if I write EBT plus interest instead of EBIT? Yes. Why? Because EBT में जब आप वापस interest add कर देते हैं, so it becomes EBIT. So now we have the formula financial leverage is equal to EBT plus interest dividing it with EBT. So financial leverage हमने calculate किया है 1.86. EBT हमारे पास नहीं है, वो हम as it is लिख देते हैं. Interest amount हमें question में given था 80,000 रुपए, that we have written here, and in the denominator we have EBT. Now solving the equation, we have done cross multiplication here. So हमारे पास equation आती है 1.86 EBT is equal to EBT plus 80,000. So left hand side पर now we have 1.86 EBT और right hand side पर हमारे पास है EBT plus 80,000. Now we can take EBT to लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, सो वो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा, माइनस में हो जाएगा बिकॉज अभी वो प्लस पर है. जब आप उससे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर लेकर जाएंगे फ्रॉम राइट हैंड साइड, इट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू माइनस, राइट. सो हमारे पास अब इक्वेशन हो जाती है 1.86 EBT माइनस 1 EBT इज इक्वल टू 80,000. Solving it further, we have now 0.86 EBT. ये कैसे आया? 1.86 EBT में से आपने 1 EBT लेस कर दिया. So now we are left with 0.86 EBT on left hand side and 80,000 on right hand side. So now we can calculate EBT. Simply क्या करना है? 80,000 को divide करना है with 0.86 and you will get EBT as 93,023 rupees. अब EBT हमारे पास आ गया है, that is 93,023. अब हम उसमें अगर 80,000 ऐड कर देते हैं, we will get EBIT. So EBIT की वैल्यू हो जाती है 1,73,023. Now we have the value for EBIT. Operating leverage हमें पहले से ही पता है, क्वेश्चन में हमें given था. Now using the formula for operating leverage which is contribution by EBIT, we can calculate the value of contribution which comes to be 3,71,999 or we can write it as round off also, which will be 3,72,000 rupees. Now using the formula for PV ratio which is contribution by sales into 100, contribution हमने calculate किया 3,72,000 rupees, sales हमें question में given है 15 lakh rupees, into 100 we get PV ratio as 24.8%. So that was all for today. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned in for the next video that will be posted 7 PM tomorrow.